Fox.
I know who you are. Get off.
Can I get...
Yeah, just go the long way, boys. Go the long way,
All right, brother. All right.
Just stay on the other side of this tape line right here, okay? All right, appreciate it.
A plane has crashed right off the boulevard at Cottman Avenue. It's on fire. It's not under control. It looks like a side street. All police and fire. It looks like debris here. I'm in a debris field. They're roping off the parking lot. There is thick smoke and the smell of jet fuel. I'm working, I'm sorry, with Fox. I need to get my, I should have worn a jacket. Sorry, brother.
Just go down around that
I will.
Go as far as you can.
There's pieces of the plane here. We're near Northeast Philly Airport. There are lines of police and fire as far as I can see. Black smoke filling the sky over the shopping plaza. It looks like it's on a side street, affected. We're right across from a busy shopping center. So the plane, pieces of the plane are in the Roosevelt Mall parking lot, it looks like, according to police. That's why they're roping that off. This was as close. There's black smoke. Sorry, I'm breathing bad. Flames of black smoke coming over.